it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for red curry firecracker shrimp. It is as tasty as it sounds, and we're literally going to take popcorn shrimp to the next level with the flavors of red curry. Now this one is spicy, sweet, tangy, creamy, crunchy, all at the same time. It is the perfect appetizer, and I'm sure the flavors are going to blow you away. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's go make some red curry firecracker shrimp. The very first thing that we're going to do is create the creamy, spicy sauce for the shrimp, which could not be simpler to make. It only takes 4 ingredients, one of which is red curry paste. Now, red curry paste can be found at most regular grocery stores in the international aisle or at Asian grocery stores in the aisle with all the sauces. Now, even before this red curry paste goes in, I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise for creaminess, followed by a big spoonful of the red curry paste. For a touch of sweetness, I'm going to drizzle in some honey. And then for some freshness and a little bit of tang, I'm going to zest in a little bit of lime zest, as well as add a bit of its juice. We're gonna season up with salt, and I'm gonna give it a nice mix until it's nice and incorporated. I wish you could all smell this sauce. I mean, my salivary glands are already popping. I can smell the lemongrass, the garlic, the red chili coming through. So good. I'm gonna put this to the side, and now we're gonna focus on the shrimp. So I have some beautiful shrimp in front of me. They're large guys. They're about 16 to 20 a pound, which means that there are 16 to 20 pieces per pound. Now, the lower you go in the number, the bigger your shrimp are, and the higher you go, the smaller they are. Now, you can use any size shrimp that you want. I just wanted something a little hearty, which is why we're using these guys today. Now, all that I'm gonna do as our first step is crack a large egg into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, give it a nice whisk, and then add our shrimp in and give it a nice fold in this mixture. Now we're going to create the dry mixture, which is going to give the shrimp its crispy outer coating. So into a bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour, followed by some cornstarch, as well as some salt to season, and I'm going to give that a nice whisk until everything is well combined. Then I'm going to add the shrimp one by one into the dry mixture and give it a nice coat so that it's well covered. We'll repeat this step until all the shrimp have been coated, and then we're ready to fry. I have about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a wok that I've preheated to 350 degrees, nice and hot. And now I'm going to take our perfectly coated shrimp and we're going to gently lower it in, making sure not to crowd the pan, and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and crispy. Then I'm going to drain them onto a little bit of paper towel and repeat the process until we've cooked all the shrimp. Then I'm going to take our crispy fried shrimp and add them to the red curry sauce. We're going to give it a nice toss to coat, making sure that every last bit of the shrimp is coated. And just like that, our red curry firecracker shrimp is done. I am so hungry right now. I can't wait to tuck in. Let's grab a piece of that shrimp. Oh my gosh, look, perfectly coated in that sauce. It's time to give it a bite. All right, just between you and me, I think I could eat 50 in one sitting. These are so good. The first thing that I get is that hit of red curry. You taste the lemongrass, the chili, the garlic coming through, and then the creaminess of the mayo, that little bit of sweetness from the honey, and the freshness and that tang from the lime. So crunchy, so creamy, so good. I think this is my current favorite appetizer, and I hope you get to try it at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.